Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install Lightshot, one of the best free screenshot tool for your computer or laptop. Let's get started. Open your device web browser and search for Lightshot. After the search result appear, click on the website with Lightshot written on it. After the official Lightshot web page opens, select the application for your device and click on download. I am using Windows, so I selected Windows. Now your application will start downloading. When the download is complete, click on the application. Now click on Yes. Then choose your language and click on OK. Select I accept all agreements and click Next. Lightshot will be installed on your computer. To take a screenshot, click the keyboard Print Screen button, select the area and then click Save. You can now use it very quickly. And that's how you can download, install and use Lightshot on your computer or laptop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more problem solving videos. Thanks for watching.